Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to build a sales pipeline in HubSpot CRM step by step, perfect for beginners and small businesses in 2026. Let's get started. A sales pipeline helps you visualize your deals, track progress, and manage your sales process efficiently. Each stage represents a step in converting a lead into a customer. First, log in to your HubSpot account. From the top menu, go to Sales/Deals. Here, you'll see your current pipeline and all existing deals. To create a new pipeline, click Settings, Objects, Deals, Pipelines. Click Create Pipeline, give it a name, and save it. Next, define the deal stages. Typical stages include new lead, qualified to buy, proposal sent, negotiation, and closed won or closed lost. You can customize these stages based on your business process. Assign probabilities to each stage if needed. This helps in forecasting revenue and understanding the likelihood of closing deals. Once your pipeline and stages are set, start adding deals. Click Create Deal. Enter the deal name, amount, close date, and assign a deal owner. Select the correct stage so the deal appears in the pipeline. As deals progress, move them through the stages. You can drag and drop deals in the pipeline view or update the stage in the deal record. Associate deals with contacts and companies to maintain a complete view of your customer relationships. Log all emails, calls, and meetings in the deal record for accurate tracking. Use tasks to schedule follow-ups for each deal. Set due dates and reminders so no opportunity is missed. Finally, monitor pipeline performance using dashboards. Track deal progress, revenue, and forecasted sales to make informed business decisions. In summary, building a sales pipeline in HubSpot CRM helps you stay organized, prioritize deals, and improve sales efficiency. By creating stages, adding deals, tracking activities, and using dashboards, you can grow your business effectively in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.